Hey y'all, so in this video I am continuing my studio organization series, and what I wanted to show you in this video was the space where I do a lot of my drawing and sketching. I kind of consider this space I'm gonna call it the dry space. So this is where I work on, or I should say work with media that is dry media. There is a table in front of this one where I work on wet media. So that would be paints, and I do mono printing there. But this space right here, I've got my tablet here. I will work on the tablet, work in my sketchbook, work on dry things. So it has a lot of art supplies ready at hand for me to just grab and work with. So I am going to talk you through some of those supplies and show you how I have them stored so that they are easily accessible. Okay, so first off, I have two Lazy Susans on this table. This is absolutely this Lazy Susan. It's a beautiful little Lazy Susan. You can see it's got carving on it. Came from the kitchen department at the store. So I have a hodgepodge of things on here. This Lazy Susan in particular holds a lot of my colored pencils, my woodies. I know this is wet media, but it's not like, I'll use water media on this table, but that's the only wet media I'll use. Pens, brush pens, little bit of graphite. This is water soluble graphite that I have here, and that's about it. Everything else is kind of self-explanatory. I will tell you these, people will see these on my table sometimes. This is a brush that I use when I'm working with colored pencils, just to brush the surface from any little color pencil dust. So that's what I do not use these for painting. They are sumi. These are sumi brushes that you would use with ink, and I use them kind of as cleaners, dusters. In this, I did a short on these. This is where I keep my color pencil sticks. I love this thing. This is a dip tray server, some kind of food server. This is a vintage ashtray, as you can see, but yo, look how cute it is. It's too cute. So I just store, these are oil pastels, so that is why they kind of needed to be by themselves. And then I'll show you how I store my Poscas. So this is another one of those containers that I found in the bathroom section at the store. It does have a handle on it, so I love it because I can grab this and transfer it wherever I need to take it. It's got 4 sections, holds, you can see, holds these Poscas just perfectly. So, so that is how I store the Posca. So let's jump into the middle of the table and I will show you what I store there. All right, so what I've got here is this container is one of these guys. I think these are made to store photographs in. I did find them in the scrapbooking section of the craft store. What I love about them is I will take these on the go for travel. And here's what's great. When I open it, I can have my warm side, my cool side, and be able to pull when I'm done, just slap it. That was a little clunky, and it's ready to go. So these generally stay like this and they just live in this pile. What this pile is this is just things that I draw with. And I like to buy cute trays, y'all. You know, we gotta have cute stuff, right? So this is a little vintage tray. It has, where are they? Look how sweet. So sweet. Make things that make me happy. And what I really like to look for is things that can stack and be compatible with one another so that I can have a lot, but it doesn't take up that much space. This tray holds my acrylic gouache, which of course I use on that side of the table, but I let it sit on this side because it takes up very little space. And so now let me show you the last Lazy Susan. Okay, this is my last Lazy Susan, and what I have on it, this is pens and pencils. So not so much drawing pens. This is more pens that I need to grab for writing notes or writing things down, you know, signing the back of a painting. Plain old drawing pencils, nothing special about them. These are my China markers that I just keep on this side, and other just tools and utensils that I might need. A little bit of glue for when I'm collaging or doing something in my sketchbook, tape glue, erasers, and I also wanted to show you how I generally, I am having a hard time finding a pencil sharpener that I am in love with. So until I find one, I just buy, this is a good German sharpener, and I just keep it in this cute little vintage bowl, and it just kind of lives out. And so I hope, this has inspired you to organize your stuff, make things pretty, make things like I love tea time, so I will save, you know, tea tins and use them. My parents own an antique store, so I will go buy, you know, cute vintage things to put things in that just make me happy. So, you know, make your space yours, make it accessible, and make it fun, y'all. So, I hope you take what you have learned in this video. I hope it has just inspired you to get your space together. So happy organizing, y'all.